Are you looking for real ways to watch ads and earn money online? And are you tired of all the YouTube videos with fake and exaggerated claims about this? Then, this video is for you. My name is Queen Bree, or Sherry Monroe, and I share ideas on how to earn money online and other financial ideas. If you are new here, you are all welcome to this family, and for my returning subscribers, I welcome you all and I thank you all for all your support. So the first option I want to show you is called Freecash. It offers a lot of different ways to earn, through paid offers, paid surveys, and watching ads. I would recommend that if you start using it, you should also use other methods to earn than just clicking ads, because there are other ways here to earn a lot more. So here is how you will earn from watching ads. So just click this place written earn, then scroll down and click to one of the offer partners. This is called TimeWall. Then when you click that, it will open up here inside TimeWall. But the first time it will take you to the TimeWall website where you need to create an account there, and then it's linked to Freecash. But now, when you have an account there, you can see it just automatically opens up in here. Then you can see it also has different options. I would recommend that in here you just focus on the clicks, and then if you want to take surveys or other tasks, you can still do that there. So then here you are where the clicks are, and then you can just click on this button here to view. Sometimes you need to do a CAPTCHA verification. And then you just need to press it again because that was the first time I was using it today. And then a new screen pops up, and then you need to just watch this and stay on the page for a certain number of seconds there. Once you are done with it, you will see you will get credited. Then the points are added here. These are the points I have inside TimeWall, but then they are converted to Freecash, so these are the points that will be added on Freecash. If you want to withdraw them, you will just go into the menu here and withdraw them. There's a little bit of an extra step, but there are quite a lot of ads to click. It will not give you a lot of earnings compared to many other options on Freecash. It's an easy way to earn. As you can see, there is a next option to earn by playing games on iAt Studios, by reading or even installing apps on AdGate Media, and many other offers. And to be honest about these platforms is that those people living in top-tier countries, their payments are much higher and have more offers to complete, but all in all, these platforms are available worldwide, so it should not be a worry for anyone. Everyone gets a chance to complete their own offers. The next is called Cointiply. There are different ways that you can earn from these platforms. From paying games, referring offer walls, watching ads, and so many others by checking this place. But focusing on earning from ads, you just have to come here on these place written PTC and click View PTC Ads. You will be redirected to this page where you can choose whichever ad you would like to watch. There is a countdown that will appear, just to make sure that you stay on page for the required seconds. Once it's done, you will be told, Ad View Completed. You can close the visited website and go back to Cointiply. And then you just need to validate your click here. It's usually a very simple validation process. Then you will be told, your view has been recorded and your points will be added. So if you are interested in earning more once you are done with watching ads, you can just do the other tasks. The next option is called Timebucks. This is actually my best, and I have also done a video about it, so you can go check out on the link that I have provided below on the comment section to know more ways of how you can earn through Timebucks. You can join from basically all countries. You can earn in many different ways such as surveys, tasks, games, and offer walls. If you're interested in clicking, you need to go to the content side and you will find the ads on the click side. There are different ads behind this one which is displayed, just that it only shows one at a time, so you just have to click this, stay on page for the required time, and there will be a countdown too, and once it's complete, close the window, then go back to Timebucks page and you will be credited. You can click on this button so that you can open on a sound notification for every time you complete an ad view. On Timebucks, you need to earn up to $10 to actually be able to take out your earnings, and because watching ads has lesser earnings, you can just engage with the other tasks and offers to reach the withdrawal threshold. But for example, compared to Freecash, you only need to earn like $3 to take out via stake, or even $5 if you take out via PayPal, so that it's a little bit faster to reach, but nevertheless both platforms are actually great if you actually work with both. And one major advantage with Timebucks is that their customer service is incredibly the best, and they really dedicate themselves to helping you out, and the tasks are great too. Just so you're aware, we're now halfway through, but before going over to the next options, It's great if you could just take 1 second to like this video and hit the subscribe button, and I would definitely appreciate that support. Next we have Coinpayu, another get paid to click site. This is so advantageous for those people looking to earn in Bitcoins, but you can still withdraw in USD through Payeer account. So if you don't have a Payeer account, you can simply create an account. I will leave a link down below in the comments section for people not able to access it. So in Coinpayu, basically there are 2 types of ads. There are the frameless and framed ads. You can earn from both of them, and there are no restrictions set to earn from them. So you just have to choose which you will start with first, and there will be a couple of ads each and every day. Just choose which you want to watch, and you will be redirected to the website. And remember, there is always a countdown for every ad. Stay on the page for the required time, and afterwards close the window and go back to Coinpayu's page, and there you go. Your account is credited. You will be shown the payments for each ad in coins, but you can always come and change it to USD. You can also earn from referrals. And finally, to the last option. This website is called surf.be. In this area, you can earn from 2 different places, in watching ads and watching videos. This is the place where you will see the videos available at that time, and the place where you will earn from ads is from an extension, and this is the place where you will earn more, since the offers are usually plenty. The extension is available for PC users, but for those using mobile phones, you can download Kiwi browser and change it to desktop site. Then you can learn how to add an extension. For those interested to know how to add an extension, you can leave me a comment below so that I can make a video about one. This site is pretty much just like the other platforms. You just need to click on the ad you want to watch. For those who have installed the extension, once the website is open, the extension banner will turn to blue when a countdown starts. Watch the ad till the end, then leave the website and you will be credited. For some ads, you will be needed to complete a CAPTCHA and make sure to choose whatever is written inside the box. It's usually an easy CAPTCHA. If you are not familiar with what you have been told to choose, you can always refresh and another one appears. You have to be a little bit quick with it, so that you cannot lose the view you have just made on the ad. And the best thing about the extension is that you can earn even without being necessarily on the surf.be website. You can earn from it when you are surfing through the web, either you are doing other tasks or even watching YouTube at your own comfort. There is a little ad banner which will be appearing below your screen from now and then, and you should just leave it to run and your earnings will gradually increase. You can also install an auto refresher for every 30 seconds or 1 minute for your browser. These will help the little banner appear more times and watch more. The payout threshold for this platform is $0.03, and there are quite different payment methods such as Payeer, Bitcoin, and others. And so, that's all for today, my YouTube family. As you can see, they are actually realistic ways to earn online by watching ads, but you do need to take patience and use some of the other methods too. Like doing simple tasks, and you can quite quickly earn some extra nice money on this sides, and all of them offer really great payout options and definitely do pay. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so you will not miss out on a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online. See you then.